Fortunately, we've got all New Zealand leading research organisations involved. We have Horoirangi, we have NIWA who are looking to expand their base in Nelson, and we've had talks with Plant and Food. So hopefully if we create the right environment, all those people will come together and share their expertise in multi-discipline groups. And from these multi-discipline groups, we can actually get the applied research we need rather than little bits of research stuck in corners that aren't available to commerce. The project is comprised of three parts. First of all, we need to develop the infrastructure on land, but absolutely vital is to obtain a good flow of salt water for 24 hours, 7 days a week, and then within that physical infrastructure to establish laboratories and places where the research work and applied science can take place. So in terms of the pipeline, which is the grant we've asked the government for, that's a $10 million investment, and it's a 100-year investment. So it's like any infrastructure that one would expect the government to invest in. Then next to that, we've got the infrastructure of developing the land, the roading, the drainage, the electricity, which is very important because it has to be a disruption-free supply of electricity, which means it has to have dual supply. To create all those, we're looking at spending another 20 million, and then Horoirangi and NIWA, each of them are looking to spend in the order of 3 to 5 million to put research facilities on the site. So we're getting up into the order of somewhere between 30, 35, 40 million dollars to create the space for the growth of aquaculture in New Zealand. Once we've created the infrastructure, which is the scientific infrastructure with Horoirangi and NIWA, the water infrastructure with the pipeline, and the physical infrastructure with electricity and the roading, this creates the environment for other investors to come in, to capitalise on that and to grow the industry. So what we're hoping is that as these opportunities unfold, other people within the industry will see the potential and the growth that we can have to create investments that are sound for the future, that are based on New Zealand's natural strengths of pure food, pure water, and its scientific base, and expand into long-established businesses of supplying food into Asia.